Hello friends, for this new NASA's Webb Picture of the month, the NASA James Webb Space Telescope has spied a pair of dwarf galaxies engaged in a gravitational dance. These two galaxies are named NGC 4490 and NGC 4485, and they are located about 24 million light years away in the constellation Canes Venatici, the hunting dogs. Aside from the Milky Way's own dwarf companion, this is the closest known interacting dwarf system where astronomers have directly observed both a gas breach and resolved stellar population. Together, NGC 4490 and NGC 4485 from the system ARP 269, which is featured in the Atlas of Peculiar Galaxies. At such a close distance, these galaxies allow astronomers to witness up close to the kind of galaxies interaction that were common billions of years ago. Dwarf galaxies likely share many similarities with young galaxies in the early universe. They are much less massive than the galaxy like the Milky Way. They typically have small amount of metal and they contain a lot of gas and relatively few stars. When nearby dwarf galaxies collide, merge, or steal gas from one another, it can tell us how galaxies billions of years ago might have been grown and evolved. The nearby dwarf galaxies NGC 4490 and NGC 4485 form an intriguing pair. Nearly 3 decades ago, astronomers discovered a wisp bridge of gas connecting the two galaxies, showing that they have interacted in past. Despite many studies with powerful telescopes like the NASA Hubble Space Telescope, the history between NGC 4490 and NGC 4485 has remained mysterious. Recently, Webb observed this curious galactic pair as part of feedback in Emerging Extragalactic Star Clusters program, that is FEAST for short. The FEAST program used Webb's sensitive infrared eye to reveal the formation of new stars in different types of nearby galaxies. This image was developed using data from Webb's near-infrared camera and mid-infrared instrument, as well as a single narrowband filter from Hubble Space Telescope. It reveals NGC 4490 and NGC 4485 in never before seen detail and illuminates the bridge of gas and star that connect them. NGC 4490 dominates this image as a larger object occupying the left side of the image, while NGC 4485 is the smaller galaxy that hosts the top right portion of the image. By dissecting these galaxies star by star, researchers were able to map out where young, middle-aged and old stars reside and traces the timeline of galaxies interaction. By capturing the history of galactic dancers, NGC 4490 and NGC 4485, Webb has revealed new detail in how dwarf galaxies interact, giving us a glimpse of how small galaxies near and far glow and evolve. Image description: this Webb image shows two interacting galaxies. NGC 4490 occupy the left side of the image, while NGC 4485 appear as a white glowing hue in top right of the field. Both galaxies are connected by a bright stream of red stitching from the top left of image through the bottom center of ending at the right under galaxy NGC 4485. There are regions of bright blue ionized gas visible in concentrated area of red stream. The background is black with multiple galaxies in various shapes throughout.